In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add third wave in TradingView Pro. Before we jump into the platform, make sure you're already logged in to your TradingView account and that you have access to the Pro version. This will help you follow along without any interruptions. Once you're on your chart, it's best to choose the market and time frame you usually trade so you can immediately see how this applies to your own setup. Let's start right on the main chart screen. At the top of the interface, you'll see a button labeled Indicators. This is where all the tools, scripts, and custom studies in TradingView live. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button. When you open it, a panel will appear, usually in the middle or left side of your screen, giving you access to a large library of built-in and community-created indicators. Inside this panel, you'll notice a search box at the top. This search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for, especially when there are thousands of indicators available. Click on the search box to activate it. Once your cursor is blinking, you're ready to type. Now, in that search box, type third wave. As you start typing, TradingView will begin filtering results in real time. You should see matching indicators appear in the list below. Take a moment to look carefully at the results so you select the correct third wave indicator you intend to use. When you see it, click on the name of the indicator. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. After you've added third wave, you'll notice new lines, labels, or visual elements on your chart, depending on how this specific tool is designed. If you want to fine-tune how it looks or behaves, hover over the indicator name at the top of your chart and click on the settings icon. From there, you can usually adjust colors, visibility, and any custom inputs the creator has provided. Take some time to tweak these settings so they match your personal trading style and are easy to read. If you don't have TradingView Pro yet and you'd like to unlock more features and a smoother experience, check out the affiliate link in the video description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it ensures you're on the same plan I'm using in this walkthrough. Once everything is set, practice switching between different charts and timeframes to make sure third wave is working the way you expect and you're ready to integrate it into your trading routine.